Oh, hey guys. What are y'all still doing in the woods? We got some testing to do. Hey guys, Airgun Angie with Airgun Web and Airgun Web TV. I've got the Crosman Backpacker. I've got it back to my range because we have some testing to do. Find out a little bit more about this very cool Crosman Backpacker 22 caliber air rifle. Okay guys, so with my Hawk rangefinder, I have tested the distance and we are at 20 yards. I shot it at 10 in the woods. We saw how that was. If you haven't, go check out my Crosman Bug Out Kit. It's survival with Airgun Angie video.
Nice shot.
You'll see it shot really well at 10 yards. So first what I'm gonna do is see how it shoots at 20 yards. I'm gonna pump it before I put a pellet in it. And pull the bolt back. It's very smooth, very easy to operate. Push it forward. Nice. Just leave my pellets open. As you can see, it is a single shot multi-pump. You can pump it from anywhere from 3 to 10 times. I have pumped it 12 and got a little bit higher velocity. So it is operated by man or woman power. Nice, very cool. Okay. Well, I'd say it shoots pretty good at 20 yards, guys. Open sights, very cool. I'm gonna take it back a little further. I'm gonna aim a little high and right. Okay. So not as good at 30 yards, not so much. That's with open sights now, guys. It could be myself being the error, but the really cool thing about this, I'll tell y'all a little secret. Some of you probably already know and knew before I did, but there is a modification I can do to this to make it scopable. Right now it is not scopable, but eventually, after I finish some bear testing, it will be scoped. So I have dug through my entire pellet collection. I have found the lightest pellets I own in 22 caliber. They are 9.7 grain. So on the box it says that the max velocity that this will get is 650 feet per second. So I am gonna see if I can get that with these platinum pellets. They're 9.7 grain. Not quite 650, but not bad. Well guys, that's it for today. I'm Airgun Angie with Airgun Web and Airgun Web TV with the Crosman Backpacker, the entire bug out kit from Pyramyd Air. Very cool, did some testing today, got lots of results. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you Pyramyd Air. We'll see y'all next time. I really like this little bolt. It is very cool.